Hey guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna, and for today's recipe, we are going to do the most decadent, the softest cinnamon rolls ever. Guys, let's jump right in. Hey you guys, start out with clean workspace. You will need a clean workspace to roll out your dough and also have all of your ingredients for the dough, the filling, and the icing set out and set aside. And also you will need your stand mixer for this, so bring out the KitchenAid. Start out by adding your warm milk to your stand mixer and add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, and that's going to help your yeast activate. And add your yeast and mix it very well and let it stand for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that's going to allow your yeast to activate. And you'll know it's activated because it gets a little foamy. It looks a little foamy. And go ahead and add the rest of your sugar, your eggs, and also your melted butter. Now go ahead and add in your flour. You're gonna add 4 cups of flour, and you're gonna do it little by little. For each cup of flour that you add in, make sure that you mix it and it's well mixed before adding in another cup of flour. You should have a sticky and slightly wet dough when your dough is ready, and add your oil to the bowl and add your dough and cover and place your bowl in a warm place and allow the dough to rise for about 45 minutes to an hour. When making the filling, add in a room temp softened butter. If your butter is not softened and you just grabbed it from the fridge, go ahead and pop it in a microwave for about 8 seconds, and that should do the trick. And then go ahead and add your cinnamon powder, your brown sugar a little bit at a time, your salt, and just add all your ingredients together until everything is well mixed, and then you can go ahead and set it aside. For a really silky smooth icing, you want to go ahead and cream your butter by mixing room temp butter first. Then you're gonna add the room temp cream cheese and mix those together. Add in your remaining ingredients like your vanilla extract, and add in your powdered sugar a little bit at a time. And then once done, go ahead and set it aside. To roll out your dough, go ahead and flour a clean surface with the 1/2 cup of leftover flour, and use that to lightly flour your dough in your surface before rolling out your dough. It's best to roll it out as close to a rectangular shape as possible. I got a little bit impatient towards the end. As you guys can see, I could have fixed it. I decided not to. I really wanted to finish so I could try those cinnamon rolls. So try to get it to as close to a rectangular shape as possible. That will really help your cinnamon rolls come out looking uniformed. And you want to roll out your dough until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. You don't want it to be too thin and you don't want it to be too thick. And then once you do that and you spread out the filling, which is the butter, cinnamon powder, and brown sugar, you're going to roll into a log. And that's the log you're going to cut and make into cinnamon rolls. Go ahead and line up your cinnamon rolls as evenly as possible, and after doing that, you are going to cover your rolls with a towel, and you're going to allow to rise again for another 1/2 an hour before putting in the oven. And that's it. Cinnamon rolls are fresh out the oven. They're warm, they're soft, they look so delicious. I cannot wait to bite into one of these. And guys, you're done. And if you want to go ahead and ice your cinnamon rolls while they're warm, you can do that. If you want to wait till they're cooled, you can do that. If you don't want to ice your cinnamon rolls at all and just eat them just as is, you can do that as well. You can do whatever you want with these. They're done. They're baked. They're ready to be eaten. Anyway, guys, thank you for stopping and watching. I hope you try this recipe. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments and I will do my best to respond. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.